Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time. I'm sorry I've been away for so long, but I work full-time and we've had a lot of stuff going on at my job, so I have not really had time to do too much because I work, then I come home and I take care of my kid and, you know, thug life, real life stuff. Anywho, so I wanted to come back and create this look for you guys. It's focusing on the eye look here, but I recently bought a whole bunch of super shock shadows from ColourPop at Ulta, since now they are in Ulta, which I love so much, and some lipstick and a highlighter, and I really wanted to create a look with you guys and show you guys how pretty their shadows are. This is my first time using their super shock shadows. I have the Supernova ones, but these are like, they're so good. I don't know why I waited so long. Anyways, if you want to see how I created this look, which is glammy, cute, but not hard at all, just keep on watching. Let's get started. I already did the base of my face so we can get to the good stuff. So let's start with the eyes. So for my transition color, I am going to use ColourPop's. This is the Super Shock Shadow in Elixir. And then I'm using this Elizabeth Mott blending brush to do it because I feel like these work really good with their shadows with blending. I was like concerned about using their matte shadows just because I know that they're not the best working with brushes. You just got to find out what brush works for you. I feel like this brush to me works the best with what I'm trying to do. And then for my crease color, I'm going to use this Luxie tapered blending brush here. See that? And then I'm going to use the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. This is in No Promises. I'm going to start blending that just on the outside. And with the ColourPop shadows, you really got to make sure you are taking your time with blending. Alright, so for my lid color, this is called Stereo. But first, I'm going to use some NYX glitter primer and kind of give it a good base to stick to. Not that they don't stick well, but this just, for me, makes my shadows last longer. Oh yeah, this is the Morphe M508. These brushes are really good for like carving your crease out. Now that I have that primed out, this is a Luxie Precision Shader Brush. It's $2.39. I'm gonna get the color Stereo. Put that on the brush. Pat that on. Really sticks on a lot better. So I got my lid color, and then I'm going back in. I'm just gonna blend out the sides here. That red shade. And we're done with the shadows for that part. For the top, actually, lower lash line, duh. I'm using, this is the Vintage. I don't know, there's no brush name for it, but it came in one of my boxy charms. I'm gonna go back in with Elixir with it. Same brush, I'm gonna get No Promises, the darker red shade. Give it a little bit more depth. Concentrating more on the outside. side. Put my lashes on now. I'm just gonna put on some mascara. This is a Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, just a little bit because I'm putting false lashes. My number one go-to everyday mascara. I haven't found anything that's beat it yet. For lashes, we are using the Eylure, the Jasmine Brown collection. This is in Curly Queen. I had another pair and I couldn't find them, so I had to go out and buy some more because this is a really good lash. Those dry out a little bit. And while they do that, I'm gonna put my highlight on. So I'm using the ColourPop highlight. This is in Avalon. And the best brush right now, this is a crown brush, but I don't know what brush it is because it doesn't have a number. It came in another BoxyCharm, but it does really well with this highlight just because of the consistency of it. Just swirl it around. It's so pretty on my skin. I love it. So now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to put a little bit of blush on. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit, the dark one. I like to mix these two together. And this is also a crown brush, which I don't know because there's no numbers on it, but use that. So for the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to get the color Lightning Bug. For this part, I'm just using the pinky. I just think it's super pretty. The face is done. Now we are going to do our lip, close it out. So this is also ColourPop. This is their matte liquid lipstick. Yeah, ultra matte lip in the color Limbo. I like this kind of color. It's kind of like a contrast because it's so dark. Like this color is brown, and I've been looking for like a brown, like true brown to me lipstick, and I found this, and I don't know, I've been sleeping on ColourPop. Like I have a few things from ColourPop, like those supernova shadows that I have. It's in another video. I love those, but I've never tried anything else from ColourPop other than that until they started having it in Ulta, because I hate waiting for shipping. That's my problem. I hate waiting for shipping, so I don't buy too much stuff online unless Amazon, because you know, Amazon Prime, I got that same day shipping stuff. So I really wasn't trying to order anything, but when they started selling it in Ulta, and I went in there and I got all excited, and I was like, everything pretty much that I wanted to try was in there. And I've had my eye on this lip color for a while, but I'm like, oh, I'm not waiting for it. I finally have it, and I love it so much. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope you guys have fun trying to recreate it also. It's pretty simple. Pretty darn simple. And as always, if you like what you see, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you and me can become best friends. And until next time, hopefully very, very soon, stay beautiful.